Hey guys, this is Danny with ParTay. Just wanted to give you an update on the Contra-White. For those who are going to be watching, I've got right now just a dirty piece of Coroplast. You see, I keep using over and over again. These are great test panels because they can take a few coats before you have to replace them. You start to get too much texture built up and they're just not that useful anymore. But they're inexpensive. I know some people have made wallpaper TVs out of these. They're real bad to bend if you're not careful with them. I've never seen anybody actually explain that, but just FYI. Anyway, back to Contra-White. So I've got a bulb set up here, probably about, I don't know, 2.5 feet away. And then I've got this, if you notice, is setting directly underneath 800 lumens. And this is a very light mix. And this is another 800 lumens, and there's a little bit of light in the room, just to add some additional ambient, but nothing too dramatic. But you can see with a 23 lumen toy projector, this thing actually holds up rather well. It's all relative to the amount of brightness that I've got to throw at the screen to get the vibrancy that we're looking for. But you can tell if it had just a little more punch, this would actually be very nice to watch. Projector sitting about 4 feet away from the screen, maybe just a tad over, let's just say 4 feet. But you can see that it gives you a clear image. So that to me is a testament, because if you look over here, you'll notice that on the white Coroplast, which is a 1 gain, it's gone. Image is gone, completely washed out. This comes out in the video as almost a gray, and it is a very, very light gray, but it's closer to the white than it is to the color gray that it appears right there. I think it's just really dependent upon the way the light hits it, and I'll try to get some videos that'll show us what that looks like. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you up to date.